When a car engine overheats, it can lead to serious damage and costly repairs. Acting quickly can help prevent engine failure and keep your car running smoothly. One of the first signs of an overheating engine is the temperature gauge rising above normal levels. You may also notice steam coming from under the hood or a burning smell inside the car. In some cases, the check engine or temperature warning light may illuminate on the dashboard. Ignoring these signs and continuing to drive can cause severe damage to the engine components, such as warping the cylinder head, damaging the head gasket, or even leading to total engine failure. If your car starts overheating, the first step is to pull over safely and turn off the engine immediately. Allowing the engine to cool down before opening the hood is crucial, as touching hot components can result in burns. After the engine has cooled, check the coolant level in the radiator and the coolant reservoir. If the coolant is low, adding coolant or water can help temporarily, but it is essential to identify and fix the underlying issue causing the overheating. A failing radiator fan, a clogged radiator, or a broken water pump could also be the cause of the problem. The radiator is responsible for dissipating heat from the coolant, and if it becomes blocked with debris or leaks coolant, the engine will struggle to stay cool. A malfunctioning thermostat may also prevent coolant from circulating properly, causing the temperature to rise rapidly. If adding coolant does not resolve the issue, or if the car overheats frequently, a professional mechanic should inspect the cooling system. Regular maintenance, including checking coolant levels, inspecting hoses, and cleaning the radiator, can help prevent overheating. In addition to mechanical failures, environmental factors like hot weather and stop-and-go traffic can contribute to engine overheating. If you find yourself in heavy traffic and notice rising engine temperatures, turning off the air conditioning and switching on the heater can help transfer some heat away from the engine. Keeping an emergency supply of coolant and water in your car can also be useful in case of sudden overheating. Antifreeze helps regulate engine temperature, preventing it from getting too hot. It helps reduce wear and tear on the water pump, extending its lifespan. Ultra-Cool Universal Antifreeze and Coolant is a ready-to-use solution for all major vehicle makes and models, ensuring hassle-free maintenance. It is designed for both modern and older vehicles. It safeguards engine parts like hoses, plastics, and gaskets, ensuring long-lasting performance. Regular maintenance and prompt repairs are key to keeping your car running smoothly and avoiding expensive breakdowns.